Upgrading your entry door is one of the simplest ways to improve your home's appearance, security, and energy efficiency. But many homeowners in Austin assume that getting a high-quality door means stretching their budget. The good news is that affordable entry doors can still deliver excellent performance, durability, and style. You just need to know what to look for. In a city like Austin, where heat, sunlight, and occasional storms can affect your home, choosing the right entry door is about balancing cost with long-term value. A well-chosen door doesn't just save money upfront, it helps reduce maintenance, energy bills, and future replacement costs. One of the first things to consider is material. Affordable doesn't mean low quality, especially when it comes to modern door options. Fiberglass and steel doors are two of the most popular budget-friendly choices, and both offer impressive durability. Fiberglass doors are resistant to warping, cracking, and moisture, making them ideal for Austin's changing weather. Steel doors, on the other hand, provide excellent strength and security at a competitive price point. Energy efficiency is another area where you don't have to compromise. Many affordable entry doors are built with insulated cores that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Austin's hot climate, this is especially important. A properly insulated door keeps cool air inside and prevents heat from entering, reducing the strain on your air conditioning system. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on your energy bills. Sealing and weather stripping also play a major role in performance. Even an affordable door can perform like a premium option if it's properly sealed. High-quality weather stripping prevents drafts, blocks moisture, and improves overall efficiency. When paired with professional installation, this ensures your door delivers consistent comfort throughout the year. Style is another factor that homeowners often worry about when choosing budget-friendly options. Fortunately, today's entry doors come in a wide variety of designs, colors, and finishes. Whether you prefer a classic paneled look or a sleek, modern design, there are affordable options that match your home's aesthetic. Many fiberglass doors can even mimic the appearance of real wood, giving you a high-end look without the higher cost or maintenance. Glass inserts are another way to enhance your door without overspending. Decorative or frosted glass panels can add character and allow natural light into your entryway. Energy-efficient glass options are also available, so you can enjoy brightness without increasing heat gain, a valuable feature in Austin homes. Security is something you should never compromise on, and affordable doors can still provide strong protection. Steel and fiberglass doors are designed with reinforced cores and can be paired with modern locking systems for added safety. A well-constructed door with proper installation creates a secure barrier that protects your home and your family. Durability is where affordable doors truly prove their value. Choosing materials that resist wear and tear means your door will last longer and require fewer repairs. In Austin's sunny and sometimes humid conditions, this is especially important. A door that holds up against the elements saves you money over time and maintains its appearance. Maintenance is another area where you can save. Low-maintenance materials like fiberglass and steel require minimal upkeep compared to wood. You won't need to worry about frequent painting or sealing, which adds to the long-term affordability of your investment. Professional installation is key to getting the most out of any entry door, regardless of price. Even the best door won't perform properly if it's not installed correctly. A precise fit ensures proper sealing, smooth operation, and maximum energy efficiency. Investing in expert installation helps you avoid issues that could lead to additional costs down the line. Ultimately, affordability doesn't mean sacrificing quality, it means making smart choices. By selecting the right materials, focusing on energy efficiency, and ensuring proper installation, Austin homeowners can enjoy a durable, stylish entry door without exceeding their budget. If you're looking to upgrade your home's entryway, there are plenty of options that combine value and performance. With the right approach, you can achieve a beautiful, secure, and energy-efficient door that enhances your home for years to come, all while staying within your budget.